and we're back here in the Ferry Kita and Swing Master Coach Gong Lopez series. Coach,
Yes,
hello! Ano ang ating lesson for today?
Power mo na.
Power!
Diba?
Tita Power!
Kita power.
So,
Sa swing mo,
sa swing ko,
where do you think you get your power? Or where you should get?
itinikot, high bot,
Oo, at saka,
and
gano'n like,
I don't know, high bot lang alam
Kasi
ko.
diba,
Not the arms, right?
ito yung last.
The speed. Kasama.
Kasama lahat. So,
What's that?
simplicity na,
Yun po ang nagkakaproblema mga tita.
okay, so,
Kailangan daw synchronize ang body and arms.
parang swing, swing, swing. Faster swing. Fastest. Paano mo siya pinag-ibig? Ano na-feel mo?
Parang yung pag ganun po.
Para mag-describe natin sa yung body mo, is
Yes.
parang
Yung
Ferris wheel. It should be good.
okay, yes.
Para bumulos yung card mo, art club, libre dapat yung makina mo.
Which is the body.
So, maraming gumagawa. Sa nila, hindi dito din.
Yung kamay lang.
Body stars. So, lalakas ka dito, service ka dito, natin dito.
Puro hihina. Which is usually yun yung problema.
Exercise natin for your body is, hindi lang, nagawa natin ang shoulder. Up. Simple, mirror image, 90 degrees. Tapos slow muna, 90 degrees. Down. A little bit faster. Up. Bilis.
laro, maganda.
Tayo. Fast. Isa natin siya. Pero tamang kuha natin siya. Faster, using more speed with your turn. 90. Ito, fastness mo. Fast. Maganda ko kasi yung way mo siya. Heavier than the club. So, hindi mo yung
So to practice yours, get a speed.
pwede naman club, walang problema. Pero mas effective. Kasi pwede mo mag sa gym. Pawis ang talaga ng tawag. One more set, ha? This time, hit the floor. Okay, ready? Normal. So, pag tinaka, pinakamabilis. Turn. Normal turn. Good. Ito yung faster turn. Pag nag-drill tayo nito, yung grip pressure, soft, grip, ready?
Huli!
Faster. Yan mo siya. Drill lang naman tayo kasi hindi ka pa sa okay, fastest. Ang goal natin is pag nag-goal ka, andun ka sa fast.
Hindi ba ako ka-ano yung coach, mahihingan?
Kasi nga, sa practice mo sa gym, pinapractice ka, nag-train ka.
Kailangan pumunta sa gym?
Hindi, sa bahay, sa driving range, driving range lang tayo. Fast, hindi, normal mo na. Gagawin natin siyang trio lagi. Normal. Best swing mo, turn, turn. Galing mo na.
So coach, ito, pwede kong drill pag kunwari wala ka, and then I'm the driving range. So practice my
para
speed,
ka
tatlo.
bumilis, kapag na-exercise ka,
Yes.
para bumilis na tama.
Okay, so hindi lang dapat pala tira ka rin tira sa driving range. That's wrong. Wrong.
Always.
Always with a plan
Yes.
and a strategy.
Ready. Faster. Yan. Faster. Di ba nawawala ka lang sa timing?
Oo, nafe-feel ko, coach.
The swing is still the same. Kaya lang sa timing.
Yes, nafe-feel ko siya.
Katawan mo, bilis na ito.
So, parang kailangan sumunod. Ba't ako?
Fastest. Katawan lang to. Turn. Super fast. Bala. Yan. Para lumakas, kailangan bumibilis ka.
Para lumakas, kailangan bumilis. Hindi pwedeng turtle. Paano na yung mga tita?
Aabot din, pero kung...
Makahilo-hilo na kami.
Oh, last na.
Oh my gosh, coach. So, yung
Normal. Yeah, yan mo lang. Faster. Hindi na. Drill ka lang naman. Yan talaga muna. Good. Ito, fastest. Faster doesn't mean walang synchronicity, ha? Yun. Different kinds of speed. Balance ka.
Okay. Guys, that is our lesson for today. So, you can do the drills. Pinuro ni Coach.
Very important.
Very important if you want to have like longer na mga shots, distance. Power comes from the speed. Kailangan coordinated naman sa buong body natin. So, do the drills na tinuro ni Coach. Thank you very much, Coach.
Fast. Tapos, medium, fast, faster.
So you can do the drills na yung regular speed mo, then faster na konti, and then the fastest that you can do in the driving range. So huwag na kayo pumunta doon para magtira-tira. May plan. Right, Coach?
Yes.
Okay, so this is another episode. And then next week, magkaka-episode na naman tayo para sa ating Fairway Tita and the Coach Bong series. See you guys at the Fairway.